Hey guys, we received these Bunmo pop tubes for test and try. So these are really a fun thing for the kids to play, and these are a large size pop tube. So they are 30 pack, as you can see, with a nice vibrant color. And you can just stretch with a pop-up sound. So this is nice for the kids or even for the adults, as I can feel like just take and pop and create any size and just stretch it to have that poppy sound and then make any different shapes, sizes, stuff, thing, or whatever you want to do with it. So this is see really nice corners with the durable thing and flexible, so you can just do it in a any shape or size. You can also just add it like this, make any alphabetical sign, numbers, or things you want to do. So you can do a lot of stuff with this, and with the flexible tubes or the pop tubes, I will say, you can do like the different things here. So there are different colors. You can join these pop tubes together, and then so there's hours of fun the kids can have. They can use their imagination to create different shapes and size or all these different possibilities. They can do a lot of stuff like you can make a different shapes and the sizes here, or you can do the other things. So they're all different colors that comes with the same flexible pop tubes. The combination, so the total 30 in the pack, and is a large size one, as you can see. And then uh, yep, you can join together or make a bigger one or any other thing that you want to do. So it's easy for the kids to play as well, as you can see. Kids like doing this and having in the different shapes and the stuff. So basically a very nice pop tubes for the kids for their different play and fun.